You've heard of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Maybe the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. But did you know there are over 20 active stock exchanges across Africa? And some of them have delivered triple-digit returns in the last 5 years. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to invest in African stocks, from the biggest exchanges to the best ETFs, and the risks you need to know. I'm your AI host, and welcome back to African Market Insider. Today we're looking at equity markets. Many global investors ignore African stocks because they seem complex or risky. But with the right approach, they can offer high growth and diversification. We'll cover 1. The largest and most accessible African stock exchanges. 2. How to buy stocks directly, brokers, custody, and currency. 3. ETFs and funds that provide easy exposure. 4. Key risks and how to manage them. Johannesburg Stock Exchange, JSE, South Africa. The largest and most developed. Over 400 listed companies, including giants like Naspers, Tech, Anglo American, Mining, and MTN Group, Telecoms. Accessible through most international brokers. Nigerian Exchange, NGX, Lagos, Africa's second largest by market cap. Key stocks, Dangote Cement, MTN Nigeria, Guarantee Trust Bank. Some international brokers offer access, or you can use local brokers like Cardinal Stone. Casablanca Stock Exchange, Morocco, well-regulated and fairly liquid. Major stocks include ADRs Bank, Maroc Telecom, accessible via some European brokers. Nairobi Securities Exchange, Kenya, home to Safaricom, Equity Bank, and East African breweries. Growing interest from foreign investors. Egyptian Exchange, EGX, Cairo, large and active, with stocks like Commercial International Bank, CIB, and Eastern Company. International brokers, Interactive Brokers, Saxo Bank, and Swissquote offer access to several African exchanges, especially JSE, EGX, Casablanca. You can trade directly in your account. Local brokers. For exchanges like NGX or NSE, you may need a local broker. Some offer online onboarding for foreigners, e.g., Vediva in Nigeria, Standard Investment Bank in Kenya. Depository receipts. Some African companies have American Depository Receipts, ADRs, listed in New York or London. Examples: MTN Group, MTNOY, Safaricom, no ADR but listed on LSE. ETFs, the easiest way for most investors. We'll cover these next. Global X MSCI Nigeria ETF, NG, tracks Nigerian stocks. Low volume but direct exposure. VanEck Africa Index ETF, AFK, includes South African, Nigerian, Egyptian, and Moroccan stocks. More diversified. iShares MSCI South Africa ETF, EZA, focuses on JSE-listed companies. ETF MG Alternative Harvest, MJ, not Africa-specific but includes some African cannabis stocks. Mutual funds, funds like T. Rowe Price Africa and Middle East Fund, or the Africa Development Bank's private equity funds for accredited investors. Investing in African stock markets is easier than ever, thanks to international brokers and ETFs. The key is to start with broad ETFs, like AFK or EZA, to reduce single-country risk. As you become more comfortable, you can pick individual stocks. Always watch out for currency risk, liquidity issues, and political developments. Have you ever invested in an African stock? Which exchange would you like to learn more about? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on African markets. Thanks for watching.